Alright, now after I picked and gutted the American Lock 1100, we're now going to put it back together. So I got all my stuff spread out. Let's start with getting the Bible put back together. So we're going to grab, let's start with the springs. Let's see. That's going to be the front here. One, two, three, four, and my last one, I'm going to look through the top. 5, there it goes. Okay. Let's get our follower ready to catch and wedge those in. Like that, I believe. We'll start in the back now. Let's go with a spool. Getting through the top, maybe. There we go. There's one. Two. Oh. 4, and our last one. 5. Alright, so we got that put back together. Now let's put that together again. One, two, 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's get that. Let's see, we're gonna want to line that up so I don't drop anything. Like that. Okay, that seems to work. Put that ring back on. Jump that back in. Take the key back though. And hold that line. Put that back together. And test it. All right. That is picked, gutted, and reassembled. Thanks.